Hello you guys, good morning. So today I'm going to walk you through on how to make a bookmark. And just a disclaimer, I've only made like 2 bookmarks this far in my life, so I'm not like a pro at it, but I'm gonna probably color it in with watercolor. So try and find decently thick paper. And mind you, you don't need to use watercolor, you can use colored pencils or markers, whatever you have. This is the paper that I'm using. It's B Paper Company watercolor paper. And it's 140 pounds, so it can withstand quite a lot of water and pigments and stuff like that. This is the paper that I've been using for a lot of my illustrations lately too, if anyone's curious. So I have like this one little paper thing that was left from my last little drawing thing. I'll probably cut this in half, and what I like to do is I get a ruler and I just guesstimate. Just try your best. And just okay, and you have almost even bookmark papers. You can use scissors, you can use rulers, whatever. And now I'm just going to do a voiceover so that it's easier for me and you can follow along. Mind you, you can draw whatever you want. Alright, enjoy. Yo, it's the voiceover. So, first off, I want to apologize for the crazy lighting at the start of the video. It was like a cloudy day, but then like the sun shone through and like the camera was just having a hard time trying to white balance everything. So please forgive the horrible mishmash of light and dark and whatever the heck is going on at the beginning of the video. Anyway, on to the bookmarks. So for the first one, I did it on a Great Gatsby theme, and if you've seen the movie with Leonardo DiCaprio or even the first Great Gatsby movie, there's this billboard that they pass by and it has like 2 blue eyes and like glasses. So I really like that billboard design, so I decided to do the first bookmark off of that theme. And for the second one, I wanted to make a very simple bookmark that anyone can make, and so I decided to do a galaxy themed one. Now for the first layer, I did a thin layer of colors, and then I let the colors dry and let the paper just soak up all the pigment, and I went over it with a second layer and added more different colors and stuff like that, and that's why it came out even more vibrant in my opinion. If anything, if I went over it with another layer, it would come out even better. But I decided not to do it just because of time constraints, and also I just wanted to hurry up and kind of finish it. And for the final one, I did a floral themed one. This one was by far the fastest one for sure because it doesn't take up the whole bookmark page. It's like very simple, easy to make. I didn't use any reference for this, but you're more than welcome to draw your favorite flower if you have one. I just blocked in simple shapes. There really is no logic behind how I drew the flowers or anything like that. I just did what felt right to me. And yeah, that's honestly how I make custom bookmarks. Some people, they punch a hole at the top of the bookmark and they like tie a string through it and make a like little knot or bow or stuff like that, and that's really cute. I've seen some people even use washi tape at the top of their bookmark to use as a little makeshift string thing. It's your decision. You're making it as cute as you want it or as designed as you want it. I like my bookmarks to be very simple, and yeah, I hope this video wasn't too boring or dull or just not helpful at all. I hope in some way this guides you, and yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and I hope you guys have a great day or night. See you guys next time. Bye.